What's up, fellow Craymates? Here's how you can get the fine meal recipe in Crimson Desert. Are you after food recipes to expand your arsenal of food buffs? Then make sure to get this one. The fine meal restores your health beyond the limits, up to 540 points over your max health, accompanied by a level 6 ice resistance. If you add the necessary special ingredients, you'll gain additional bonuses like level 5 lightning resistance or daze immunity. The recipe is found in the Delesian territory within the war zone of Gorthak. It's below Gorthak's letter H, around the end of this path with the cannon and artillery placements. When you go there and follow that path, you'll realize it's a trench, and at the end of it is a wooden platform with stairs. On the right side of the stairs is a narrow crawl space. Go through it and take 2 right turns. Then you'll find a hidden chest. Just open it up and you'll get the recipe. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.